Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this part of a logo. They said they deleted the other because it's got some pertinent information on it. And when I first saw that they want to know how to draw this blue, when I first saw it, I thought, really? This is probably one of the easiest things to do. And then I, remembered when I first started or you first started, you can look at things like that. And now I can look at it and just figure out pretty quickly. So just draw an ellipse, and I'm going to go ahead and hit P. I'm going to turn that, and I don't know what size, but this will just give them some information. I'm going to go ahead and turn that into a 2-inch. And you can see that the bounding box is really on the hairline. But if we go to object and convert the outline to an object, and then we can left click, right click, we get this. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line. And, if I really wanted to copy it, I could bring it into it, but I can just ballpark it and he can play with that. I'm holding down the control button, and then I'm going to hit P, put that button in the line in the center of the page. And then I'm just going to go down to about where I think it is and just take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now, if he needs that color, we can always change it to that color. It's like a aqua color. I don't know if he needs the color, but I'm pretty close. So what you can do now in two ways, you can get the color eyedropper tool and take a sample and then go down and take that. And if we have actually wanted to put it further, we could make it yellow, go ahead and go to object, order back a page, and we could produce that color. I don't know that he needs to. I'm actually going to take away the hairline around it just so it'll look better. I'm going to grab the eyedropper tool again and take a sample of that color and then fill in that box. And voila, you have that logo. Now, I don't know if he's printing it or engraving it, but, the difference between his picture and my vector file is quite a bit different. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.